Hello, welcome. Join me as we provide answer to this. This is episode 16 of the tutorial on percentages 2, where we are picking the value added tax VAT. So the value added tax exclusive charge of a monthly electricity bill is 200 cedis. Find the VAT of 12.5% on the bill and hence find the total monthly bill. Remember, the VAT exclusive is talking about the basic cost. So let's fix out the information in the question. We can say that the basic cost of the electricity bill is 200 cedis. Then we also know the rate. The rate as 12.5%, which is the same as 12.5 over 100, right? So to find the VAT, it is just the rate of tax times the basic cost. And by substitution, we can have our 12.5 over 100 times what? The basic cost, which will be 200 cedis. So here, these two zeros will cancel this. 2 times this is actually 25 over 2 times 2. So we will be left with only 25 cedis, meaning the VAT that you are going to pay on every 200 cedis is going to be 25 cedis. Then here says, hence find the total monthly bill. Total monthly bill is talking about VAT inclusive. That's VAT inclusive cost, or let me just say total bill, since we are asked to find the total bill. So I can say total monthly bill will be equals to the basic cost, which in this case will be our 200 cedis plus the VAT component, which is 25. Putting all together, we still be having 225, I guess, right? So when your electricity bill is actually 200 cedis, and because of tax, you might not be paying 200 cedis, but rather you'll be paying what? 225 cedis. And I believe you can be able to check on this. Any time you buy a credit in a month, there is a percentage of it that is taken away. That is the tax component that is deducted from what you have paid. So this is simple calculations that you can also do when you are buying items from a store to see the VAT component you are paying. Those who import items actually feel the tax component that they are giving to the government. That is why some people feel betrayed when the government is not able to live to expectation, because if they see the amount of money that is taken and add to the price of the items that they are buying. Imagine you having this. If this 200 cedis is 20,000, then imagine what the 25 will be. If it is, even if it is 2,000, that you are going to just give to the government just because you are buying an item, you could see how you feel betrayed if the government is not doing exactly what you expect them to do. Like the video, share, comment, and subscribe.